Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am back with a beautiful matte nude look that I decided to do, and also collaborated with a tiny bit of glitter on the crease. I love glitter and I just feel like it makes all my looks like superior. I got this beautiful hair from Glam Pixie and I super love it. The color is so nice on me. I love brown roots with like a little bit of blonde at the end and the blunt cut and everything. I absolutely love it. I hope everybody enjoys this video. Keep watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like and also share my videos. Thank you very much. Bye. See you later. I have already washed this wig, so I am going to blow dry it and brush it through so that it's easier to style. As you can see, it's a little bit crispy.
Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you.
Using this TrendyMakeovers heat protection spray, I'm going to spray it all over this hair, and this is just going to protect the hair from heat.
It hurts so much to think of you as someone else.
Now I'm going to use my GHD hair straightener. I love this hair straightener. I am going to go ahead and flat iron this hair, but I am so lazily flat ironing this hair. As you can see, I hate flat ironing.
What you need from me, need your love on me.
You can see the result. I got it in the end.
I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you.
I'm going to use this argan oil to give the hair a little bit of sheen.
Can we stop the clock and rewind?
And using this hot comb, I'm going to go ahead and press the hair.
Say you want me for life. Was it all a lie?
Now I like doing flicks, so I'm gonna hot comb it backwards and then front again, and this is gonna give me such a nice quiff in the front.
I miss your touch.
I'm gonna use this got to be glue to secure the wig. The reason why I'm using this is because I'm gonna take this wig off right after this tutorial as I'm fasting and I need to pray. I'm just using a tiny little bit, to be honest, not that much, and it does really help secure.
Myself. Put your arms around me.
Using this elastic band, it is so good to keep my wig in place, so I'm gonna tie it around and also leave it on for about 15 minutes.
I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and create some baby hairs using this eco styling gel. This is my favorite gel because it doesn't get flaky.
Your love.
It's time to do the makeup, y'all. So I'm gonna use my Benefit Precisely My Brows in number 4. This is my favorite brow pencil in the whole world. It's a little bit pricey, but I think it's really worth it. I like drawing strokes, so I'm gonna go ahead and like fill in my brows with strokes. Believe it or not, eco styling gel is like the best brow setter, so I'm gonna use it to set all the hairs in place. I'm gonna use this concealer from MAC in medium deep to carve and neaten up my brows.
When you're sweet talking to me, now I'm talking sweet about
For my base, I'm using the P. Louise Rumor in number 2.
me. Put your love on me.
Today's palette is Warrior palette by Juvias Palace, and I'm using that shadow on my crease.
I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the darker brown and just blend it in with the first color that we used.
Your love, 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 your love.
So I just keep going back and forth, blending the two colors together.
Your love, your love.
This look is so simple, y'all. So for my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and use the first color and apply it on.
Girl, I see your face.
Next, I'm gonna use that cream shade for the inner eye corner.
'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
Now first, I'm gonna go ahead with that dark brown to line my eyes.
Keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.
And then on top of it, I'm gonna go ahead with my Inglot number 77 eyeliner to just line on top of that brown shade.
You're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me. Put your faith in me. Put your love on me. What you need from me. Need your love on me. Put your love on me.
I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and this is from Clinique. Next, I'm going ahead with the Stila liquid glitter to just go ahead and draw a line on my crease.
Can we stop stop the clock and rewind. Go back to that moment in time.
And I'm gonna set it with a little bit of glitter just to make it come to life. To prep my skin, I am using this Dior Glow Booster. I love this so much. It makes my skin glow.
I love you, no, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.
And then I'm going to prime with my MAC Natural Radiance in yellow.
One else can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
Today's foundation is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation in shade number 28.
From me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
This foundation is so amazing on me. I love the color, I love the undertone as well. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it like so.
I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
Now I'm going ahead with the Too Faced concealer. This is in shade Maple, and these are the areas that I like to highlight. I love this highlighter so much. The concealer is so good.
Your love, your love, your love, put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love.
And I'm obviously going to use Fenty Beauty Espresso to contour. I haven't changed this contour stick in years. I love it so much.
Love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
To set my face, I'm using Banana Dreams. This is from W7. This setting powder is so cheap. It's like £3, but it does the job and I love it. I'm saying I love everything. That's because I do.
You're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
Now I'm using an all over face powder from Morphe. This is filter number 12.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Next, I'm gonna set my contour with Brontour Showmance from Morphe.
When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love.
And then I'm also gonna go ahead and add some blusher from Morphe. This is their Trio. I forgot the shade, but I'll check and link it down below.
Your body.
Now using a black pencil from Kiko, I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Using that brown shade we used from the Warrior palette, I'm gonna go ahead and intensify my under eye, and this is just gonna go ahead and bring out my eye so much more since we're doing a soft glam. This is my favorite liner of all times. I haven't changed in a really long time. This is Chestnut from MAC. I'm gonna use it to line my lips.
Everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.
I'm gonna go ahead and add some brown gloss from MAC. I'm gonna use a concealer just to brighten up that middle part of my lips. I love doing this. This is my trick, y'all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use a MAC Gloss See-Through to top it off. I love doing this combo. I love how it looks on my lips because I have big lips, so this is like one of my favorite combos. It is time to set the face, and I'm using MAC Fix Plus Spray. I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Hyper Real Glow to highlight my face, and these are the points that I like to highlight. all done. I hope everybody loved this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.